Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make an earth grid. First, understand that an earth grid is a foundational system of imaginary lines, both horizontal and vertical, that completely covers our planet. Its primary purpose is to provide a precise framework for locating any specific point on Earth's surface. This system is absolutely essential for accurate navigation, detailed mapping, and various scientific applications, making it a cornerstone of geographic understanding. To construct an earth grid, you must first grasp its core components. Latitude lines, also known as parallels, run horizontally from east to west, measuring distance north or south of the equator. The equator itself is 0 degrees latitude. Longitude lines, or meridians, run vertically from north to south, measuring distance east or west of the prime meridian, which is 0 degrees longitude. These two sets of lines intersect to form the grid. Now, let's create your grid. Start by marking the equator and the prime meridian as your fundamental reference lines. Next, draw parallel latitude lines, typically spaced at consistent intervals, for example, every 15 degrees north and south of the equator, extending to 90 degrees at each pole. Then, add longitude lines, also at regular intervals, such as every 15 degrees east and west of the prime meridian, spanning 180 degrees in each direction. This forms your complete grid. Earth grids are incredibly important across many fields. They are the backbone of all global navigation systems, allowing ships, planes, and even your smartphone to pinpoint exact locations. In cartography, grids ensure maps are accurate and consistent, providing a universal reference. Scientists use these grids for precise data collection and analysis, from climate patterns to population distribution. Ultimately, Earth grids are indispensable tools for understanding and interacting with our planet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.